Learning can be hard, and every year it gets harder. More stuff to learn, more exams, more content, harder questions, and trying to do remotely well can be overwhelming. What's even worse is that if you don't do well, it can be confusing to know how you can do things differently to get a better result next time. And it's not your fault. Most people have never been taught how to learn effectively. So what if I told you that it could be a lot easier? That there's a method backed by science where you can study to solve the hardest problems, gain more confidence, learn more deeply while studying less than what you're doing now. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Sung. I'm the co-founder and head of learning at I Can Study, and we are learning specialists. We work with tens of thousands of students from over 120 countries, teaching them the best research-backed methods for learning. Our mission is to give learners like yourself the tools to learn to your full potential so that you can live life on your own terms. On this channel, my team and I will teach you the exact strategies, methods, and frameworks used by the top 1% achievers in the world, using real-world examples. We'll show you how top learners continuously upgrade their learning skills to tackle harder and harder challenges. And we'll dissect common studying trends and techniques that lots of students use to shine a light on exactly how effective they really are, or aren't. Our strategies are practical so that you can use them immediately to take control of your learning today. If you want to see how you can take control of your learning, check out our videos, join our community of thousands of like-minded students, and make sure to subscribe so you get notified of new lessons. See you inside.